Today's lesson, measure of center and the mode. Measures of center are ways to represent the center of multiple data points with only one number. Here we have a data set, minutes practicing the piano. The first step is to put the numbers in order from least to greatest. Then find the number that occurs the most often. Not the largest number, but the number that happens the most times in the data set. In this case, it's 28. Because it's the only number that occurs twice, 28 is the mode. The mode is the number that happens the most. There can be no modes, one mode, or multiple modes. I suggest putting the numbers in order from least to greatest before anything else. Here's a few more examples. Step 1, put the numbers in order from smallest to largest. Then circle the numbers that occur the most often. In this case, we have 2 6s and 2 2s. So we have 2 different modes. Both 2 and 6 are considered the mode. Put the numbers from least to greatest. Circle the numbers that occur the most often. 17 occurs twice, but 21 occurs 3 times. So 21 occurs the most often and is our mode. Again, put the numbers from least to greatest, and then circle the numbers that occur the most often. The number 1 occurs 4 times. The 2 is 2 times, and the 4 is 2 times. So this makes 1 the mode. Place the numbers from least to greatest. In this data set, the only number that occurs more than 1 time is 3. So 3 is the mode. Now, if the number 3 only occurred 1 time, then you would write down the words no mode. Remember, the mode of the data set, list the numbers from smallest to largest, and then find the number that occurs the most often. Here's 2 more examples. Again, for number 1, the number of popcorn boxes sold by each Boy Scout. Put the numbers in order from least to greatest, and then circle the number that occurs the most often. In this case, 32 occurs the most often. When you have a large data set like this, sometimes it helps to count how many numbers are in the data set and then count how many numbers you have written down in your new list to make sure that you wrote every number down. Number 5, the cost of 1 gallon of gasoline at different gas stations in your neighborhood. Again, put the numbers from least to greatest. And in this case, we'll have 2 modes because both 2 and 50 hundredths and 2 and 98 hundredths. But in this case, $2.50 and $2.98 both occur twice, so both numbers are the mode. Go ahead and solve the next 6 problems in your MPJ. This is going to be your first assignment in Schoology, so go ahead and take a picture when you're finished and turn it in. Be very careful